Hello you all, welcome back to my channel. This is Michu. So since the festive season is right around the corner, I thought let's do a quick glow up and give some attention to our body and skin. To get things started, I'll start by shaving my body. But before that, I like to use a scrub to exfoliate my body. And I'm going to use the M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub. And now to remove my hair, I'm going to use the Venus Snap Hair Remover. It also comes in this super cute case and has these tiny holes which make sure that the drainage is perfect and is easy to store. It has these soap gel bars, so you don't need any soap or foam separately. These gel bars have avocado oil for that super smooth skin and it smells amazing. See how smoothly this is gliding. I just washed it off and it feels so smooth. I love this product and again I love the idea behind this case because आप कहीं भी स्टोर कर सकते हैं आसानी से ऐसे कहीं भी रख दिया और प्लस आप जब भी ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो आप इसे अपने साथ ले जा सकते हैं and about all of that it's super easy and safe to use. Just the last step, moisturizer. I'll apply some moisturizer which will make my skin hydrated and super smooth. Just follow 3 steps. Number 1, apply some water. Number 2, glide the snap. And number 3, moisturize. So do check it out. The links are mentioned in the description box below. And now coming to the face. But first I'll quickly go and remove my makeup. My no makeup look. I just quickly go and it's going to be 3 steps. Number 1 is going to be cleansing. And number 2, scrubbing. And number 3, face pack. और सब DIY होने वाला है, सब घर की चीज़ों से होने वाला है. So BRB. Okay, I'm back. I just took my makeup off and now the number 1 step will be cleansing and for that I'm going to use some raw milk. यार ये दिखाना बहुत मुश्किल है, गिर जाएगा वरना, but raw milk आपको पता है ना कैसा होता है. So I have some raw milk here and a cotton and now I'm gonna dip the cotton and take some milk and start cleansing. I think I've told you guys about this before also that I love to use raw milk as my cleanser because बहुत best होता है milk as a cleanser because it has lactic acid and it's also really amazing for dry skin. And now I like to keep it for 4-5 minutes and then rinse it off. I just washed my face and you can see the difference. My skin looks so clean, so fresh and brightened and it feels like it's moisturized as well. And now the next step is exfoliation. Exfoliation is really important if you want to clean your skin deeply and if you want to remove the dead skin cells and for that I'm going to use the coffee scrub. इसमें मैंने सिर्फ कॉफ़ी और पानी डाला हुआ है. You can use दही also yogurt but मैंने पानी यूज़ किया है because मैं फेस पैक में योगर्ट यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. So मैंने सिर्फ अभी कॉफ़ी और पानी मिक्स किया हुआ है और कॉफ़ी बहुत अच्छा है आपकी स्किन के लिए अगर आपको एक्सफोलिएट करना है. इट रिमूव्स योर डेड स्किन सेल्स एंड अनक्लॉग योर पोर्स और मेरे पास पोर्स बहुत सारे हैं तो दिस इज़ रियली ग्रेट फॉर मी और डी टैनिंग के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है. अभी मैं माउंट आबू गई थी तो बहुत ज़्यादा टैन हो गई थी, इसके लिए मैं ये यूज़ कर रही हूँ और ये मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती, मतलब 15-20 डेज़ में एक बार, पता नहीं मैं ज़्यादा नहीं यूज़ करती बट काफ़ी इफेक्टिव है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ऐसा लग रहा है स्टारबक्स में आ गई. I'm gonna exfoliate for good 1-2 minutes. And now I'm going to keep it for 5 minutes and then I'll rinse it off. And the last step is a face pack. To create this face pack, you just have to add some chickpea flour like 1 tablespoon and 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric, and apply it all over your face and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before you rinse it off. Just wash my face and you can see the difference. I absolutely love the results. You can see मैंने अब तक कोई moisturizer नहीं लगाया लेकिन फिर भी you can see the glow. मुझे लगता नहीं मुझे moisturizer लगाने की ज़रूरत है for at least half an hour. ज़रूरत तो नहीं लग रही है. So I think this glow up is really easy to achieve at home. I really want you guys to try this out, but also do a small patch test before applying to your whole face. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I really hope this video was helpful to you और आप festivals में ये घर पे कर सके. And I'll see you next Friday. Bye.